Hi all, welcome to our channel. Today we are heading to Shivanasamudra Waterfalls. So we have started the journey. Here we are. So we started our journey at 10:26. Let's see when we reach our destination. We are heading. Already we are on our way. There is some congestion in the road, so let's see when do we reach. Okay, so now we have started in Mysore Road. Here we are. You can see the beautiful roads. The weather is also very beautiful today. It's raining, it has started raining. The weather is awesome today. The flyover is looking really beautiful. So we have halted in a petrol pump now. There are a lot of petrol pumps while we go here. So this is a good place where you can halt, and if you want to use the washrooms as well. So here we are again starting our journey. We are at 12 now. I think we'll really need another 1 hour, 1 or 1.5 hours to reach there. So here we are. Okay, so let's get started. Until now our journey has been really good. It's raining, not heavily, but slightly. So as you can see, the weather outside, it is really beautiful. We don't have to switch on the AC as well. And another thing we did is we have also taken on another route, okay, not the road with the toll, in order to bypass the toll. So now we are heading on the same road. So we'll give you further details on that. Okay, so let's keep going. Okay, so we are starting on the highway now. So we will also record the highway so that you can also have a view. So here are we. Okay, so let's get started. Okay, so now we have halted in a restaurant So this is New Imperial restaurant here where we are here, okay, for food. We both are really hungry, as you can see. So we were actually exploring the options, but we didn't get any other good restaurant here. This is the only one good restaurant which we got, and we have ordered some delicious food. So let's see how the food is. We'll keep you updated. So I'll show you the restaurant. So here we have already ordered the food, and here you can see the food looks yum. This is egg parota that we have ordered, and here is naan, butter naan, and we also ordered chicken curry. So let's taste and let's have the food. So we are starting back after having the lunch, and we really had a very good lunch. So this place is definitely recommended if you are traveling to Shivanasamudra. And so I'll show you the surrounding as well. It looks awesome. So as you can see, this is the place and this is the restaurant. I think it will take us in more 50 minutes to head there. Okay, so let's go. So we have now reached the destination, and let's see how the place is. I can already see the falls. Okay, so I'll definitely show you around, but the place really looks good. And we have also parked our car, and we didn't have to pay for the parking. It's free parking here. And there are some stalls over here, so let's see. I have reached the Shivanasamudra Waterfalls, and you can see the amazing view which is behind me. So as you can see, this is an amazing view. So I'm showing you the round the clock view. The falls looks amazing, and because of the weather it is even looking more beautiful. Let me show you the falls. Already reached the waterfall, and now we have come down, okay, and you can see this is the view. So we get a better view from here, and this looks absolutely amazing. Okay, so now we are leaving this place. We have already seen it, enjoyed it thoroughly. Well, but there are a few monkeys roaming around, so we need to be a bit cautious on that. But otherwise, this place is really a great visit, from Bangalore. And let's see if we can go to the other points and explore that as well. So we have reached the Bharachukki Waterfalls, okay, which is at a 25 minutes distance from the other waterfall that we went. And let's see how it looks. Here there is a ticket fee of rupees 5 each, and there is also a parking fee of 20 rupees. Now I'm going to show you the waterfall around. This place looks quite similar to the other waterfall, but we see there are more number of people here. This seems to be a bit more famous than the other one. See, this is the Bharachukki Waterfalls, Shivanasamudra. The barricade, the way it's structured, this looks very similar. We are now going down to see the waterfall from a more near view. Wow, this looks amazing. We need to walk down the stairs. I think this is better. So we are going to go to that particular point with the stairs. So now we are going to head back to our home after viewing the Bharachukki Falls. But this was really worth watching, and I really suggest that if you want to visit, if you want to pay a one-day visit from Bangalore, it's a great place to go. Now let's see when do we reach our home. So yeah, let's drive back home. back home and we're enjoying a lovely tea here.